Now that we are done with the female reproductive system, let us now proceed to the male avian reproductive system. The male reproductive organs in the domestic fowl consist of two testes, each with a different duct that leads from the testes to the cloaca. Fowls do not have a penis such as is found in other animals. The testes are bean-shaped bodies located against the backbone at the front of the kidney. Their size is not constant and they become larger when the birds are actively mating. The left testis is often larger than the right. On the inside of each is a small, flattened area that is believed to correspond to the epididymis of mammals. The different duct starts at this flattened area. The testis produces androgen, which is the male sex hormone. The functions of androgen include directing sexual activity and the production of sperm, controlling secondary sexual characteristics of the male, and influencing social rank or peck order. The secondary sexual characteristics include comb growth, crowing or gobbling, spur development, and male feathering. Next, we have the epididymis. The epididymis still functions in sperm storage and is relatively small in relation to the testes. The vas deferens is the duct through which sperm are transported from the testes. It is located on each side of the vertebral column. The vas deferens is also the main area of sperm storage in male chickens. Applying external pressure in this area results in ejaculation, and the collection of sperm this way for artificial insemination of hens is often referred to as milking the rooster. Next is the cloaca. It is the lower end of the avian digestive tract that provides a passageway for products of the urinary, digestive, and reproductive tracts. Next, the papillae, which is located at the end of the vas deferens and on the floor of the cloaca. The papillae emit semen into the cloaca of the female. Lastly, we have the phallus. The phallus is a rudimentary copulatory organ that becomes engorged with lymph during mating. This allows semen to be deposited onto the female's everted cloacus. The phallus is more developed in ducks and geese. That's all, and thank you for listening. Before I go, and just to put a smile on your face, here is a dancing chicken.